Welcome to today's session. Today's class we will be learning how to prepare bills payable account and total creditors account. In previous class I have already told you the format. So if you have understood the format and if you learnt the format, it will be very easy to do the sums. So now first we will prepare bills payable account. I will teach you one sum. You go to question number 15 from your textbook. Question number 15, page number 35. If you do not have textbook, I will show you the question on the screen. You look to the screen. First we will read the question, then we will go to the sum. From the following particulars, calculate total purchases. Sundry creditors on 1st January 2018, 30,000. Bills payable on 1st January 2018, 25,000. Paid cash to creditors 1,20,000. Paid for bills payable 30,000. Purchases returns 15,000. Cash purchases 2,25,000. Creditors on 31st December 2018, 25,000. Bills payable on 31st December 2018, 20,000. Okay children, read the question thoroughly before doing the sum. So what is asked there? Total purchases is asked. So how to find out total purchases? You should add cash purchase and credit purchase. Both together will give you your total purchase. But we don't know how much is the credit purchase. You have to find out credit purchases. To find out credit purchases, you have to prepare total creditors account. But in creditors, we don't know how much the sundry creditors have paid. So for that, first you have to prepare bills payable account. First prepare bills payable, find out the amount paid by the sundry creditors. Then you prepare total creditors account. Then finally you find out the total purchases. Okay. So now you go to the sum. Look to the question. Bills payable on 1st January 2018 is 25,000. So bills payable is a liability. All liability will have only credit balance. So bring down the opening balance here. By balance brought down. Opening balance 25,000. Next, paid for bills payable 30,000. Paid. So you write here 2 cash paid for bills payable 30,000. The next item, bills payable on 31st December 2018, 20,000. Closing balance of bills payable is 20,000. That you write here. 2 balance carry down, closing balance 20,000. Only 3 items are given. So put the total 50,000 by sundry creditors bills payable. So here the total is 50,000. 50 minus this 25,000, you will get difference 25. Put the total. 25,000 is your balancing figure. Okay children, now see the bills payable account. Bills payable is a liability. So bring down the opening balance on the credit side. By balance brought down 25,000. Then what else is given there? Cash paid for bills payable 30,000 is given there. Closing balance is given 20,000. So put the total. The difference between these two give you your sundry creditors, that is the bills payable amount as 25,000. Then put the total. Okay. Next you have to open total creditors account. Now you have to calculate credit purchases. To calculate credit purchase, you have to prepare total creditors account. So total creditors, again creditors is a liability. All liabilities will have credit balance. So you take the balance brought down, that is the opening balance, put it on the credit side. DR debit, CR credit. So how much is the opening balance? Sundry creditors opening balance is 30,000. Next, paid cash to creditors. So that you write here 2 cash paid 1,20,000. purchase returns 15,000, purchase returns or returns outwards, that is 15,000. Next you see your bills payable account. So that is the balance of the total amount paid by the creditors, sundry creditors, that is bills payable. This should be brought from your bills payable account, that is 25,000. Then finally your closing balance, closing creditors, sundry creditors, closing balance, that you write balance to balance carried down, closing balance of creditors 25,000. So now put this total, you will get 1,85,000. That minus this 30,000 will give your credit purchases. By credit purchases, balancing figure 185 minus 30,000, that will give 1,55,000. Put the total, put a circle for credit purchases. Now what is asked in the question? Total purchases is asked. So total purchases. Next you have to calculate total purchases. So total purchases is equal to cash purchases plus credit purchases. So how much is your cash purchases? See the question. Cash purchases 2,25,000 plus credit purchases 1,55,000. Both together will give you your total purchases. Total purchases is 3,80,000. The box for your total purchases. Hope you understood, children, how to prepare bills payable account, total creditors account and total purchases. Thank you.